Good afternoon. I just woke up an hour ago and it is already 10 a.m. and it is 30 plus degrees, so it's gonna be a very hot day. I'm always procrastinating before going outside because I know what is awaiting me there. Guys, don't come to Rishikesh in June, May, June, July, August. It's crazy hot here. This little doggy, she doesn't want to eat this. She doesn't want to eat normal food. She wants a treat. She wants a treat. Okay, now she's gonna go and hide with it. Look at her. Oi, oi, oi. There comes the cow. Let's give her a little bit. Oh, you're so cute. So tiny. Little baby. Are you having an itch? Are you having? Oh, you're having an itch. Your little baby's having an itch. No, little baby. Are you having an itch? Oi. Look at the mustache. Oi. Teeth. Hello, G.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Oh, you missed our Harinam.
I was trying to wake up, but I mean, it was so hard.
Oh.
Yeah, I tried to drag myself from the bed and still.
Oh, look at this. She's such a sweetie. Oh. We have to bring her chapati tomorrow.
Look who's sitting there. Valera. You're so cute. Oh, there's his family over there. Oy. So the people I just met, the very positive, laughing people, they're Krishna followers. I don't know what is the exact name for this. Oh, too much sun. Anyway, like Krishna followers, and I told them that I'm going to come to Kirtan today, but I mean, I couldn't wake up, you know. I tried. Okay, I'm lying. I didn't try. Oh my God, there's Babaji. Hariom Babaji, you will buy booty and you will smoke a booty. No, this is just the reality. Anyways, yeah. So they're having. If anyone is in Rishikesh and interested in like a small kirtan, they do in Laxmanjula Bridge at 9:30. So tomorrow they will have as well, but let's see if I wake up. I don't think so, but I mean, why to be negative? Now look at the mountains. This is sad. This is the saddest shit ever. All of the trash is just discarded here next to the Ganga. I mean, this type of worshipping should be illegal. This is crazy. All of the trash. Oh, look at that. Is that Chippendale? Chippendale? Yeah. Only in India you can see the nature so close. This place has very good thali. That's what I heard. I never tried it because it has coriander. You see my baby? There he is. Look. Boba. Boba. Robin, you have to give her like this, not like.
Open the hand.
This man there, he is part of mafia from Tibet. You see, the Nepalese mafia, Robin and Sono. He's looking for me. Look, at checking everything, checking. Ah, you. Oh, who is it? Oh, you is it? You, my baby. Boba. You want a treat? You want a treat? Ah, good. He's gonna go in a sacred place. I'm in Little Buddha. Look at the view. So pretty. Little Buddha is actually one of my favorite restaurants, and I constantly come here. It's been 3 years now since I'm coming to Rishikesh, and this is the place where I like to be. The vibe is very nice, the staff is very nice, food is very good. Well, hello, you woke up? You woke up, good morning. Oh my god, ooh. He has a huge FOMO. There might be some treat that he will not get, but she will, so he has to run. Okay, let's give you both. Women first. Okay. Boba first then. So I've ordered a Buddha sandwich. Jonki. Uy. This one I want. This one. You have a treat over there. You have a treat. Okay, so breakfast is finally finished. It always takes me forever. I just sit there and take another coffee after another. I was thinking to just go and sit by the Ganga a little bit, and I haven't been this way before. It's a coffee shop. I hope you can go to Ganga from here. Oh god, I hope this is not someone's property. Let's go back up. I need to find a good spot with the shade, even though I have an umbrella, but I mean still it's too hot. Too hot. I'm always wearing my earplugs. As you can see, I don't know if I'm shouting right now or not. Let me know if I'm shouting because I cannot hear myself, but it's so noisy here that life hack. If you ever come to India, take a lot of earplugs. A lot of earplugs and an umbrella. Here's the bottles that people put like Ganga water in and carry it home. People come and fill up those jugs with Ganga water and then purify something with it or make puja, so on. It's that sugar cane. Sugar cane juice. Yeah, I was thinking to go to the temple, but there's a lot of people right now. So let's see. I guess I'll be finding another Ganga spot. For the temple, you should come pretty early because there is One thing that India is not lacking, and that's people, and they're everywhere. So there's a Hanuman temple. I haven't stepped inside, but there's always somebody. You see this Ganga Book Emporium, the best shop, the best bookshop in Flex Manjula and Tapavan. They have so many books. I bought probably 8 books from them. Best part being in Rishikesh, you can always pet a cow or a bull. Pretty little baby. Ooh, ooh. Oh, he's so hot. Look at this view. How beautiful it is. About that chakra necklace, I've been looking at it for a long time now. And every time I go, I kind of, you know, try to push the seller. Oops! Try to push the seller. Maybe I should take the earplugs off for a while so I can actually control the volume of my voice. I'm trying to make him drop the price every time I come, and it became just a joke, you know. I walk by and they're like, okay, gee, so today it's like 3,000. Okay, today is 2,900. And I keep on dropping and dropping. We'll see how much it will be in the end. I mean, you might say that, oh, there's foreigners coming and, you know, trying to be cheap. And so, yes, I am that foreigner that comes in bargains with everybody. And you know what? Oh, Jesus, was that like a sign that I shouldn't bargain? Anyways, I will come and do that. You know, I have no shame. Oh, there's another squirrel. Look, he's so cute. So tiny. What are you eating? Oh. I was thinking maybe I should buy him nuts, but at the same time, you know, I understand that you're not supposed to feed wild animals. Like, it's not good for the animals because they start to depend on people too much and eat the unhealthy foods. God, I'm melting. I'm melting live on the video right now. There's a shade. I'm gonna sit there and just have a drink and enjoy a bit of Ganga. So here they have the Ganga Aarti and all the deities over here and over here. There's 2 doggies. Oh, it's my lucky day. A little bit of patience. Look at yourself. Look how beautiful you are. Are you beautiful? Are you? Okay, I'll give you food right now, right now. Lunch is served. I got these drinks for myself. There is soda, my favorite, and then this is a new thing I'm gonna try. Coconut mojito. There is a serious video shoot going on. For Bollywood, for sure. This is the art. This is the artist. Very pretty. My foot is a pillow now. The one thing I don't understand, I don't know if somebody can explain to me. When I came here, this place was pretty empty. There was only 2 dogs. And as soon as I settled to sit, the whole family came first of all. And now there's a bunch of guys sitting here just looking back at me and discussing me filming. So that's for the, how can I say, private space, you know. As soon as you sit here, people start collecting like this, and then they sit and stare at you. It's very normal. Oh, hello. I don't have any more food. I wanted to meditate actually, but it's not really possible here, you know. Well, I made it to the room. It is, you know what? I came to have a little bit of siesta because I wanted to do some Ganga Kinare at the Ganga beach, but I just couldn't. It's too hot. I just fed the rest of the food to the dogs, and then I just came fast to the room. I am so exhausted. You know, it was so funny that when I told you about the guys that were sitting there, right, almost like in front of me, close to me, then there came two more guys and they sat exactly in front of me. Like they were sitting on the stairs right in front of me, and I was like, gee, could you not please sit in front of me? I have a view here. And he's like, yes, sorry. My brain is not braining right now. It's so hot. I think my brain kind of boiled a little bit. Let's go to the shower. This is so beautiful. It reminds me of some kind of, you know, ancient scripture, but it's pretty. I need to find that lady again and ask her to do this henna tattooing all over my body. So I came to see the Ganga here. It starts in like 30 minutes. I'm sitting pretty back, pretty away from everybody. So maybe as it starts, I'll get closer.
Guru Padam Mantra Moolam Guru Vakyo Moksha Moolam Guru Kripaha.
It's so hot, and the flies and all of that, I cannot see it anymore. So I just decided that I wanna just maybe say hello to Ganga, then go. And you know what? They don't have a handsome priest there. The only place with handsome priest was in Trivenigad. Okay, so I left Arti because it takes such a long time to start it. Like, I don't understand what is the problem with people sitting like constantly. The people who work there, moving people, okay, you come here, you go there, come here, you go there. Like, let people live. Jesus. There's this huge Shiva temple, and this is some kind of an ashram. This ashram belongs to this dude over here, and I think that the god, or at least the small altar that there is, or a small temple, belongs to him as well, because his pictures are everywhere. Don't know what to say, really. Haven't heard anything good about him, but I guess he is a big name, even though the ashram looks abandoned. Again, about the sitting situation there, I mean, for me it's kind of looked like kindergarten. People are constantly, you know, shifted from place to place, and I don't know, maybe there's something I don't understand, but I kind of got enough of it, so I left. I've decided the best case scenario is to just get some dinner. Look how pretty those flowers are. Or maybe, you know, there's no problem, it's just me. I have no patience whatsoever. I need everything right now, immediately. Look at that little baby. There he goes. Oh, hello. Do you want to be on a video? That's why you came? Yes, wanna get famous? Oh, look at his eyes. Such a cutie. Oh, where's your mom? She's tired. Okay, I think I better go. I think that's the mother. Came to order food. Some kind of a fancy place. My coffee shops are closed today, so it looks like it's going to rain today. The sky is so beautiful. Little girl, she got hungry. I ordered a bunch of food and tea, so yeah, that's the end of the day.